Hello, I am Viviana Jimenez and this is my Read Lab. I'm currently recording the laptop because I was having technical problems trying to record it from the slideshow, so here we go. This was the first area where I got it from, this plant right here, and as you can see there were surrounding plants as well. And I got this one first, but then it was too big, so then I got this smaller one. And this is the field notes for it. The location was in Mariposa, CA, longitude 37, 49, 33, longitude negative 120, 03, 32. The habitat and ecology and terrain was rocky and hard. The plant habit was the size was of a bush, as you can see here, like around the same size. And the stem of the trunk, the tallest was around 4 feet, and it was a dicot, and it was woody as well, and the scent and the stem of the trunk was around like 1 centimeter in diameter. And the leaves, the shape was, well, for the small ones, the leaf shape was ovate and the leaf margin was serrate. And the leaf ventilation was pinnate shape, and the structure was simple, and the arrangement was alternate, as you can see here. And the floral arrangement, there was none, and as for fruits and seeds, there was none as well. And then the underground organs was taproot and rhizome. And for the scent there was none, but for the leaves it was sticky and it was sappy as well. And as for the roots, I forgot to place it on here, but here's the root. And as you can see from the other one, you can see the rhizomes as well, and the taproot. And then the name was California Hierba Santa, and the uses, the leaves have historically been used to treat asthma, upper respiratory infections, and allergies to vitamins. And the attempted fields of the kingdom, or I'm probably going to slaughter the names here, but Platei, and the order, it was Boglinidas, the family was Boganices, and the genus was Ectrodynthron, and the species is E. californicum. And this was the next plant that I chose, and this, you can see, it was that one, and this is a zoom up close to it. And the field notes on this one, it was around the same area and the same ranch. So the Mariposa, CA, longitude 37, 49, 33, longitude negative 120, and the 03, 32, and the habitat was ecology and terrain. It was rocky and hard as well because it was around the same area. And the plant and habit was around low and to the ground, around 2 or 3 inches in height, and it was a dicot, and it was leafy. And the stem, trunk, all stems were connected, and it was around 1 centimeter in diameter, and it was leafy, and it was not hard at all or woody. And for the leaves shape was ovate, the leaf margin was serrate, and the leaf ventilation was pinnate, and the structure was simple. And the arrangement was a basso rosette. I got these tomes using the Lab Guide 1. And the floral organs, it didn't have any, and as for fruits and seeds, it didn't have any as well. And for the underground, it had taproots and rhizomes, as you can see here. And as for the scent or laxant, it didn't have any scent, but it was leaf, but the leaves had like a little rough feeling to them. And as for name, I tried to figure out what it was, and I couldn't find any that looked like it. And for uses, well, I couldn't find the name for it. But for the attempt for the identification, I chose the kingdom of Plantae. Now this is the third one. As you can see, well, you can see the surrounding ones as well. But I chose this one, that one, and that one. As you can see, it just goes shorter in size. And these are my field notes on it. It was on the same location as well. And so Mariposa, CA, longitude 32, 37, 49, and 33, longitude negative 120, 03, 32. And the habitat and ecology terrain was rocky and hard. The habitat was 12 inches and looked around the type of a woody pine. The stem was 12 inches in diameter, less than centimeter. Hardness or with no spikes, and the leaf shapes was linear. Leaf margin was entirely smooth. Leaf vindicate was like around pine looking, and the structure was bunches. And as the floral arrangement didn't have none, but in the sample that I later saw, it was a pinnacle. And then the fruits and seeds, I couldn't find any as well. And for the underground organs, it was fibrous and And a root or a stem, as you can see right there on the scent, it didn't have any scent. And the name is Chismine greasewood, and the uses of the Adam disease for Sanema and Asman disease, and the attempt field identification, Kingdom Plantae, order Riesler, and the family Rosenk, and the genus Atromis, and the species Finnish.